In this video, we will learn how to add a new seller in Hyperlocal. First, we have to click on Add Seller, and now we'll add the seller name, the seller's country, the seller's mobile number. Now we will add the seller's email ID and the seller account's password. Now in location details, we will add the seller's address, the city in which the seller's store is located, a landmark near it, seller's store's state, the state in which the seller's store is located, and the zip code of the seller's store's district. Now we have to add the seller's business details, in which we will add the seller's business license, the articles of incorporation means the commencement of business documents, the national identity card means the Aadhaar card, his signature. Now here we will keep the status approved, keep the metadata blank, and the visible status on means visibility. Now we will click on next and the seller will get onboarded.